Hey everyone! Welcome back to another massive Camp Nou construction update. And today's progress is getting seriously interesting because we are now starting to see some of the most important structural elements moving into a very advanced stage. The transformation is becoming more visible day by day, and key areas of the stadium are showing clear and rapid development. In today's update, we are going to break down exactly what has changed and where the real progress is happening. So, let's get straight into today's update. The decorative lamelas continue spreading quickly across the exterior, especially around the lateral and corner sectors. More sections have now been fully installed over the giant pillars, making large parts of the facade look far more complete than before. Support systems for upcoming lamelas are also appearing in new zones, showing that installation work will soon continue toward additional sections of the stadium. The different red tones across the panels are now becoming much more visible from a distance. Important progress is also happening around the VIP exterior zones. Workers are preparing upgraded access routes, hospitality spaces, landscaped surroundings, and integrated lighting systems around the stadium. Several nearby sectors are also being prepared for future illuminated pathways and exterior screens that will completely transform the premium fan experience once everything is finished. One of the most interesting updates is the testing of the new lighting system. Recently installed floodlights were seen going through activation tests as crews checked electrical connections and overall functionality. These advanced lights are expected to support dynamic effects and multiple color modes in the future, giving the stadium a much more modern appearance at night. The third tier continues making strong progress as more structural sections become visible around the stadium bowl. Stair installations are now appearing in several sectors, especially near the north goal lateral areas. Most of the framework for the upper terrace is already clearly defined, and with every update, the scale of the third tier looks even more impressive. The compression ring continues to be the center of construction activity around the stadium. Newly installed flange sections are now clearly visible on both the north and south goal sides. Crews are working almost in synchronization while new pillar sections and radial beam connections continue being prepared for the next lifting operations. The south goal sector is also moving forward rapidly, especially around the cantilever sections where several temporary supports are now being removed. This usually means that certain structural areas have gained enough stability to move into the next phase of construction. Elevated platforms remain active while crews continue reinforcement and steel connection work. Concrete pump activity has also returned near several structural zones around the stadium. One of the large pumps was recently unfolded near a corner sector, suggesting that additional internal reinforcement work is currently underway. Although much of this activity remains hidden from outside views, it clearly shows that structural work is still progressing behind the scenes. The corner sections between South Goal and Tribuna are now becoming some of the most advanced areas of the project. Most anchor systems are already installed, while crews have started placing the first supports for future lamella sections. Every week, these sectors are looking more complete, organized, and much closer to their final architectural appearance. Protective coating and finishing operations are now appearing across many sectors of the stadium. Workers have been painting bolts, steel joints, and exposed structural elements with protective coatings likely designed for anti-corrosion and fire resistance. These finishing tasks are becoming increasingly common as more structural areas reach advanced stages of completion. The Tribuna side remains relatively calm. Workers are installing pipe systems, infrastructure connections, and preparing sandwich panels that will later be mounted around unfinished exterior areas. Overall, the entire project is now entering another major acceleration phase. The compression ring keeps advancing, lamella preparation work is expanding rapidly, and more finishing operations are appearing throughout the stadium every single day, making the transformation of Spotify Camp Nou more impressive with every passing week.